Hello everyone, and welcome to the Prince Magnum channel, where hot rodding and romance do coexist. I'm your host, Prince Magnum. Welcome to another installment of Do-It-Yourself Budget Hot Rod. Here in this particular episode, you guys are going to get to see Project Spirit in one last, true hot footing video before she's changed over to an automatic. As the making of this video, Project Spirit's due to go into the shop and receive her 3-speed automatic, as opposed to being a 3-speed manual. Now, I know some of you are a little bummed out about that, but we've talked about that in the live streams, and at a later date, we might actually do a video diving into this. So now that I've said that, first thing that I need to talk about, for a lot of people that enjoy, a little bit of hooning and that sort of thing, let me tell y'all right now, when it comes to hooning or being a hoonigan, as it's said nowadays, and we didn't call it that back in the day, but it's a different environment today when it comes to the hot rod community. So now that I've said that, let me explain out of the gate, whenever I talk about hot rodding or hooning, as it's again called nowadays, I am not so much this. I'm a little more of this. So now that I've said that, let me say right away that I'm not going to be going at the speeds that some of you might think I should be going at, because remember, this is a backwood, kind of a country highway, and you got to keep it under control. And most vehicles, even modern, can't even hold 70 miles an hour. How fast did I get Project Spirit? At some points, 80 and 90 miles an hour in what you're about to see. Also, real quick, let me also put my disclaimer out there. You guys really shouldn't try this at home. So, don't try this, unless you've got a lot of experience and you're kind of used to doing stuff like this. You just be careful out there, folks. Follow the rules of the road. All right, so without further ado, at this point, let's get to it. welcome back. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Again, this is going to be one of the last videos that you guys will see with Project Spirit still rocking a 3-speed manual transmission just like she did way back in the day. So, if you did enjoy this, be sure to smash that like button. If you didn't enjoy it, hit the dislike button twice. See what I did there? Alrighty, and that brings us to our usual spot. As always, get out there and work on a project. I don't care what it is, just do something with yourself. Remember, idle hands and a creative mind go together like oil and water. If you have a sweetheart, sweep them off their feet and do something special for them today. And as always, for every last one of you out there, if no one out there has told any of you that they love you today, Prince Magnum does. God bless you and have a happy 24. Thank you.